Stefan, let's talk about our series, COVID 5 years later. COVID 5 years later, it continues tonight. The pandemic was especially challenging for parents and the childcare industry. NBC5's Regina Waldrop reflects on how the outbreak impacted one suburban school.
It's crazy, you know, that we had these parents who trusted us enough to give us their baby.
It was unpredictable territory.
We're all trying to figure it out.
In March 2020, child care centers were subject to mandated closures because of COVID-19.
I believe it was around the 17th of like St. Patrick's Day. We ended up shutting down.
Callie Han is principal and co-owner of Oak Park Friends School.
I'm always have been a person that likes the data. We would talk to our parents and figure out what they needed.
During the height of the pandemic, the school was closed for about 2 months, but many parents continued to pay, and that helped keep teachers employed.
We sent staff members who were willing to go into essential workers' homes and provide respite care for them who had to work.
I have a daughter named Claire, and in 2020 she was 5 years old, just about to turn 5. And in 2020 my son Ethan was about 1.5 years old.
Taylor Heald Sargent is a physician. As an essential worker, she needed childcare.
So those of us that were essential workers that really had to get back in, they figured out a way to get someone there the days that we really needed them.
Brennan Smith Evans, also an essential worker who used in-home aftercare for her kids.
It gave my kids a space to be and be safe. It gave them a community, and then we kind of built our bubble around their community.
The school would reopen months later with protocols in place.
There were some people who were just our cleaners. You know, they would literally, we hired them and they would walk around for 4 to 5 hours a day, washing doorknobs, cleaning surfaces.
5 years later, this little school survived and even expanded. Those that came here as babies will soon be heading to kindergarten.
On January 21, we opened this side, which allowed us to have 4 more classrooms and expand the center.
Giving parents peace of mind during a major public health crisis.
The way we responded to COVID, with the exception of masking, is almost the way we would respond to any other kind of outbreak.
In Oak Park, I'm Regina Waldrop, NBC5 News.